Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you all how to make a more complicated virus than the one before. Now the virus that we're going to be making is basically going to mess up your computer a bit. It's going to create different files in your C drive. So the virus is going to be written in C++, so you will need a compiler like dev C++ or something similar to it. So we're going to start off by implementing some features. We're going to do hashtag include IOStream, hashtag include fstream, hashtag include string, and hashtag include direct.h. Then we're gonna type in int main open up close up brackets. We're gonna open up these brackets, so we're gonna start off by typing unsigned long int equals 0, close that off with a semicolon. We're gonna do constant, oops wait, I messed it up, const character, open up a start, type in path equals quotation marks C drive, so we're gonna do C colon, and we're gonna do the slashes, do virus slash slash, close that off with a semicolon. Then we're gonna type in std colon, then we're gonna type in content equals, we're gonna type in a message, so we're gonna say your computer is fried, close that off with a semicolon. Then we're gonna do underscore mkdir path and close that off with a semicolon. Then we're gonna type in while brackets true. So once we've done that, we're going to open up another one of these brackets. So we're going to begin by typing I plus I, close that off. Oops, I mean I plus F, and close that off with a bracket, std colons offstream file, and we're going to close that one. Then we're going to type in file.open brackets path plus std to underscore string, open up brackets I. Then we're going to type in plus quotation marks dot txt. Then after that we're going to do that and then type in std colons ios underscore base. Then we're going to type in out and close that off with a semicolon. Then we're gonna type in file, these two arrows, I forgot what they're called, content, close that off. Then we're gonna do file.close. We're gonna do those, then we're just gonna close that off with a semicolon. We're gonna do std cout. We're gonna type in a message, so we're gonna type in file created. We're gonna close that off. Hold on. We're gonna type in, oops, close that off. Type in plus std to underscore string I. Then we're gonna do plus. We're gonna type in /r/n. Then we're gonna close that off. So that's basically done. We're gonna come here and type in return -1, and that's basically it. It's not a complicated one, but it's still more advanced than the ones before. So yeah, that's basically it.